Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you how to make your own at-home Lysol or a homemade Lysol with your favorite Aroma oils. So here are the oils that we will be using. Medyo marami siya, but it has a purpose why we are using this. So if this is something that you would want to learn about, please keep watching. Okay, so in today's DIY video, here are the things that you will need. First, you will have to have your amber glass spraying bottle. Next, you will have to have your metal funnel. Since we are using essential oils, don't use anything that's plastic. So the only things that we can use for today is anything that's glass or anything that's metal. Next, you will have to have a cup of water, some white vinegar, and your favorite Aroma essential oil. So for today, we are using lavender because this is antiviral, sweet orange because this prohibits bacterial growth, tea tree because this is antibacterial, and rosemary because this is antifungal. So putting this together is very easy. It's important that you get an amber glass bottle. If you're planning to put anything citrus like lemon or grapefruit, you should use an amber glass bottle. If you're looking for where to buy this, I'll link it down below on where you can get it. So put in your funnel and put in your 1 cup water. So half filled na siya. And then put your 1 cup distilled white vinegar. Why are we using vinegar? Kasi vinegar kills most molds and mildew. So we are actually doing a multi-purpose DIY cleaner. Again, 1 cup. Put it down there. Now that it's inside, we can add, yan, medyo puno na siya. We can add our essential oil. So the recipe is 10 drops sweet orange. Kasi this prohibits bacterial growth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since we are putting in a citrus oil, which is sweet orange, it's really recommended that you use an amber glass bottle. Next, we put in 5 drops of Aroma lavender oil. So 1. Lavender is antiviral, that's why we're putting it in here. Next is rosemary. Rosemary naman is antifungal. So 15 drops of this. That's a lot. And then 15 drops of your tea tree oil. So alam nyo naman, antibacterial din ito. After putting everything in your amber glass bottle, sarduhin mo lang siya. This is actually a 480 ml or about 500 ml of content. Shake it a bit. Shake it really well. Yan. And then it's ready to use. You can put on some label para hindi kayo maguluhan. And yeah, this is your homemade Lysol. What's great about this is that you can use this to clean your child's toy. It's very safe. It's very kid-friendly. The oils are actually, I think, dog-safe, but it's not really cat-safe kasi meron pa rin siyang citrus oils. Cats don't really do well with citrus. So I will have to double-check if tea tree, rosemary is dog-safe, but I think they are. I will just confirm it down below through the description box. So ito na siya. It's very quick, very easy. There's no toxic chemicals in here. It's very safe for your household. And the good thing about essential oils is that you can start learning all these simple recipes and start purging all those household items that you keep in your house na medyo toxic chemical laden. So with this one, you can actually throw away your Lysol. It serves as a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use this to clean your table. You can use this to clean your kids' toys or, you know, your microwave tops or whatever. If you want a degreaser, just put in like a small cap of your favorite dishwashing liquid. So kahit ganito lang, a small cap of your dishwashing liquid, and then just put it in here and shake it together. Degreaser na siya. But before I end this video, I just want to remind you to don't forget to register on my workshop this March 18. It's gonna be at Bread, Broth, and Beyond in Cherry Shaw, Mandaluyong. I will put the poster here and register through the link below. There are only a few slots left for you to get the free argan oil that's worth 1,299. So if you register for 550 pesos, you actually get a 1,299 bottle of pure Moroccan argan oil. So it's very sulit na. Don't forget to invite your friends, and I hope to see you guys there. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed doing your own DIY cleaner. If you have any other suggestions or DIY requests, don't forget to put it down through the comments or hit me up through Twitter or Instagram, and I'd love to see your suggestions. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall so that your friends will know how to make it too. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!